guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode, on your request, I want to show you how to make gâteau patate or sweet potato fritters or pie. I just want to show you the quantity and the quality of the sweet potatoes that I have bought from my supermarket, which is a very red skin one. And because there is here in Canada, we have sweet potatoes that is a little bit brownish skin, but that's not the one. We need the purple skin, and I have chosen like a small size of it, so it's gonna be boiled quicker. And I already washed this and it's in my pressure cooker. I'm gonna use only like 5, which is about a little bit less than 2 pounds, like a pound and a half or so. And then we're gonna need some all-purpose flour, some coconut. You can use fresh coconut. I'm just gonna use store-bought coconut powder. I'm gonna add my sugar to it, and then we're gonna need some oil for frying. It is really simple, easy, but it needs a little bit time to make it, and patience is a must to make gâteau patate. So let me put some water in my pressure cooker, and then I'm gonna boil this until very soft, like we are boiling like just a regular potatoes, and then I will see you after that. So my sweet potatoes has been boiled and it is very softened. I'm just gonna like mash them with a potato masher. Just mash them completely. I have already peeled the skin, and while it is still hot, you have to mash this right away. It's better and it's quicker. And on this bowl I have my coconut. I have added granulated sugar and I just mix them together. And then I have some all-purpose flour right here. I need a fork, I need a rolling pin, and also a cookie cutter, which I'm not gonna use a tartlet shape. I'm just gonna use a plain round one. So little by little you're gonna add flour to the sweet potatoes. All right, and now you're gonna keep mixing this. Now, do not add all the flour at once, because you want to see if you're gonna add too much flour, it's gonna be like a tough, hard gâteau patate, like really hard, which you want it to be soft, smooth. When you bite, it is smooth. And so just keep adding flour, just little by little. I may not need all of this flour. I just have it here beside me in case if I need. But so far I have added only 1 cup, and I'm gonna add about half cup so far. And then keep mixing until it becomes a dough, like a roti dough. Smooth. You can see it is very smooth. It's smoother than a roti dough. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab, like I'm gonna divide this into 3. We're gonna do 3 balls. And don't be panic if you see it is getting sticky to your hand. I have some dry flour, and just if you have to add extra dry flour, yes, you may need to, just to help it not to stick, but don't add too much, not over. And now we're gonna roll this slowly. Don't press it too hard, and then flip it. Add some more flour, and then roll it again. Because if you don't pay attention, if you keep rolling one side, it's gonna be sticky on the other side, like just exactly like this. But don't mind about that. Just add more flour and keep rolling. And the thickness is about, if you can see, I would say quarter, like half centimeter. Okay, so now we're gonna use a cookie cutter and cut this. Now you can just fry this as is, or you can put the coconut and fold it the way I'm gonna show you. Okay, and now this part, this is going back to my bowl, and this is going to roll again later. Now you're gonna put your coconut, don't put too much so you can't fold it. Just check the size according to the size of your cookie cutter. You can make this bigger or smaller. And now you're gonna use the fork and just press, try to lift this and just press it. And also on the other side. Okay, you don't want this to stick. Okay, so now we have one, and I'm gonna keep doing all of the rest, and then we're gonna fry this. Oil is preheating, and I'm gonna start frying my sweet potato pie or gâteau patate. And the heat is on medium. Don't put too much at a time. I'm gonna put one more. I can fit one more, and then just use a fork. This may take 2 minutes each side to fry until golden brown. This is looking good. It's almost there. I want this to be a little bit more golden brown, and then I'm gonna remove this from the oil and fry the rest. My gâteau patate or my sweet potato pie is ready. They're nice and golden brown. Now you can fry these into lighter color or darker color like this one. So let me grab one that is a little bit cold, and I want to just break it to show you how smooth, how soft is, how easy was this. And the coconut, everything is perfect. And I hope you're gonna try this and let me know in the comments below how did it turn. Get the recipe down below, and I will see you next time.